welcome back to the fort for a February 2020 update. It is late February and we wanted to just bring you a quick construction update here at the fort. So here you have it. A lot of activity going on at the old Clementine's Beach. Let's go see how the barn is coming along. You know what's going to be weird, guys, when that sign finally doesn't say Mickey's Backyard Barbecue. But for now, it's still there. No one at the playground? Unheard of. Alright, so you can hear all the noise behind me for sure now. But just to give you a gauge of where I am, like I always like to do, right there is the Trail's End and Crockett's Tavern. Straight ahead is the Settlement Trading Post, and right here looks to me like they put another barrier, but look. Ooh! What is that? That big hole. Could it be for plumbing? Maybe. And as you can see, there's a lot of hustle and bustle. Laying down the pipes and everything. There in the background is the old Clementine's Beach. All right, let's go check out the barn. I got distracted by this. Here's another view from the same spot. As you can see, they have now blocked it off even further. You can see the crane way up there. All right, guys, now let's walk back to the barn. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the progress on the barn. You know, it just seems like yesterday we were visiting the old barn. And now look at the new one. Roof is totally put on. Now they're putting the side structures, it looks like. Let's go get a closer look at it, shall we? I think every visit that we come back and do an update, I am going to keep checking this sign and see at what point or what month they change the sign where it says Backyard Barbecue. I like this. It looks like they've taken down some of the green mesh. Can't really see too much or too clearly, but this is at the bus stop. I'm gonna go around here and look a little bit closer. Oh man, that's a much better view. Although now they are pretty sneaky. They did put a little barrier right here where now we can't really see the barn too good, but it's good enough for me. I'm glad they blocked that off because honestly, I had seen people going back there on their golf carts and it's dangerous because it's a work zone. Shouldn't be back there, but look, they've already done the road for the barn. Look how nice that is. Wow. Wowie, wowie. You could actually see the road in front of the barn. How nice when the wind flaps down. See? Oh, you got a quick glimpse of it there. When the wind blows just right there, you can see how nice that is. Wow. fresh pavement. That is gonna be one, that's gonna be one snazzy barn. Everyone's hard at work back here, I can tell. And you can even tell right here where the fence starts, where it says deliveries only. You can see where they've already put the new concrete there as well. Or they repaved it, I don't know, it just looks different. That used to be a road, it's always been a road. But it just looks nicer now for some reason. I wish we could see the barn a little bit better. But I think this is a pretty good update on the progress that's been made. We'll have to come back as soon as we can to get another update. You could kind of see it from here a little bit better. I don't want to zoom in too much because it might distort the picture, but you could definitely see how they've come along on that barn. That is really nice. right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this fort update. So stay tuned because we will be bringing you guys more fort updates as well as many other fun things to do. Don't forget, smiles are free. We'll see you guys next time here at the fort. Bye.